Okay, but again, another Animoji unboxing, which I basically do it around the night, and basically it's just so untidy in the unboxing there, so basically it's just really hard to see anything. Everything was basically just put in a single place, but basically one of the things that I want to unbox is basically one of my favorite things, or quite rare things as well, because I never see anything like it, even in Google or any kind of search engine that you can do. So it was the steering wheel only for the T150 Thrustmaster. So yeah, it's pretty rare. I basically bought it from second hand from a seller, obviously, which initially sell a broken T150 base. So I just wanted the steering wheel, and the seller basically able to disassemble the steering wheel on their own, which then separated into a base and also the steering wheel, which basically all of them are now sold. But yeah, it's basically pretty different, obviously, than the real D300 RS, which I previously bought, and it was actually a real quick detach steering wheel, which basically much heavier than this. So this is more like plastic things, like the 80 Ferrari 458 that I had. But yeah, I'm not sure whether this can be put in any kind of Thrustmaster base that didn't have any force feedback, because yeah, for some reason I just wanted this for collection, and I just love to see the steering wheel design. So yeah, that's the reason why I bought it for around $40, which is basically in half price of the T300. So yeah, I think that's all.